Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and these white sneakers from Feethit have become invaluable to me. These are a size 10, they are lightweight, breathable, and very comfortable. And one of the things I really love about them is I don't have to unlace them to take them on and off because they slip on and off so easily, but they stay on my foot well, and I have found them to be extremely comfortable. I use them primarily when I'm working in my office or if I'm traveling. I love the fact that I can style them in any way I want, whether I want to do super casual or a little bit dressy. I've even worn these with skirts and dresses, and they've been perfect for travel. I've worn them on many airplane adventures. They fit well for me. I have a wide foot and there's plenty of room in the toe box. And they also have a cushiony insole. That's been really nice for my feet, especially on long trips or when I'm working and I'm on my feet for a long period of time. The slip-on design is very convenient. I just really love these sneakers, and I love the way they look with everything I've worn them with. And that is my point of view.